Okay, all right, here I am again. All right, so this is homework number 10, I believe. Okay, so tonight's homework, actually, let me just double check. Is it homework number 10? It is homework number 10. Okay, good. All right. So now this homework here, all right, it's a timed activity for to find the greatest common factor. I set it at the minimum of 3 questions. So here, when I go through the database through the blank questions, they have to have 10. All right. But in the homework, I change it to 3. All right. Minimum. So that should make it a whole lot easier to get through. Okay. If for the homework it doesn't do that, if it makes you go through 10 straight in a row, tell me. All right. In class, and I could change the homework or actually just give you guys full credit for those of you who tried to do it. Okay, if you didn't try to do it, I'm not going to give you credit, obviously. All right, let's get started. All right, greatest common factor between 32 and 25. Nothing, because one's odd, one's even, and these numbers, right? So it's 1. All right, good. All right, greatest common factor between 14 and 48. Now, hopefully in class again, I show you the fast way to do it so you can do it with a little bit more speed. All right, this is why I only want to make it like 3 in a row. Let's see, 14, 48. Let's see, does 2 go in there? Yeah, but 4 doesn't, 8 doesn't. Yeah, so it has to be 2. Okay. So one of the things you could do is this. Actually, let me slow down a little bit. If you have to find the greatest common factor between 10 and 27, you can just roll through these numbers and see which one's the biggest one that you could fit into both 10 and 27. You know what I'm saying? Especially if it's multiple choice, right? So 1 can definitely, right? 9 doesn't go into 10. 10 goes to 10, but 10 doesn't go into 27. 5 doesn't go into 27. So that leaves us with 1. All right. See that? All right. Let me do one more really slowly. Find the greatest common factor of 9 and 16. All right. So again, I'll talk a little more slowly. All right. Between 9 and 16, 3 doesn't go into 16, right? It goes to the 9, but not 16. So I can't choose that one. All right. Look at the set. Oh, no. I'm so mad right now. I clicked on it. I'm so mad right now. All right. So let's try it one more time, right? Think of something between 48 and 36, right? So 12. 12 goes into both. Okay. So there's a check mark there. All right, imaginary check mark. Now, can 6 go in there? 6 can go in there too, but 12 is a bigger number, right? So we're gonna, prefer 12. 4 goes to 48 and 36, but again, not as big as 12. And lastly, 3 can go into both 48 and 36, but again, it's not as big as 12, right? So it's gonna be 12. All right, I'm just gonna do 3 straight because I don't want to keep taking up your time either. All right, so now 27 and 10, I feel like we just done this. Okay, so 1 can go into both, that's obvious. 5, right? 5 doesn't go into 27, so that's no good. 10 doesn't go into 27, so that's no good. Not completely, right? 9 goes to 27, but 9 doesn't go into 10. All right, I'm going to do one more. Greatest common factor between 9 and 12. So 4 doesn't go into 9, so that's no good. 2 doesn't go into 9, that's no good. 1 goes to 9 and 12, but that's a really, really small number. So let's check out the next one. 3 goes to 9, 3 goes into 12. That's it. Okay, I'm going to stop it here. Thanks for watching. And let's see, hold on. Do I have another thing for you? Oh, LCM. Okay, let's do this one too then. All right, let's see. For this one, let's see, let's start. All right, I'll do 3 here also. All right, between 8 and 12. Now, I could write it out, all right, but I'm trying to save you a little bit of time here. So between 8 and 12, you know what? Let me at least do 3. All right, here, between 8 and 12. I just feel like when it's timing me, I feel like I'm in a hurry. That's why I'm talking so fast. 8, 16, 24. All right, I'll just have it like 10 times. All right, 12. All right, let's see. Is there anything from what's the least common multiple? So what do they have in common? That's the smallest. Oh, 24. Oops. Okay. All right. Let's see. What did I say? 24, right? Okay. Let's see. I gotta clear this. Between 14 and 2, I think that one's fairly obvious, right? Because 14 is already 14, 28, so on and so forth. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, right? There you go, right? So again, I'm gonna clear. By the way, if you feel I'm going a little too fast, you can watch the video again or slow it down. All right, on the setting in YouTube. Okay. All right, one last one, and then we're done for today. Let's see. This is okay. So let's see for 15:3. I already know what this is. I mean 15:30, 45. This is 3, 6. All right, what is it? 15. Okay, is that in there? Of course, it should be in there. All right, that's it. So I'm gonna stop here. All right. So yep, thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay. All right. Bye now.
OMG, that was so good.